everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a beautiful 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. Pretty car, guys. This is a frame-off restored car. They say the car was done about 6 years ago. Very nice, pretty color combination. It's that dark, that Fathom green, metallic. It's got the white Super Sport stripe down the sides, and then it's got all new dark green vinyl interior in it. Brand new 18 and 20 inch chrome American Racing Torques, brand new rubber. Car's out of North Carolina, good solid straight car, nice underneath, got good sound to it. It's a of course they didn't have these in 69. It's got a 454 underneath the hood, where these would have been a 396. So it's not an original engine car. Four-wheel disc brakes, 4-speed manual transmission. You can see it's got the GM soft gray glass in it. Pretty car. They've updated it. They got the Holley headlights in it, which are super bright. New bumpers. Not a bunch of stone packs or anything like that. Car looks good. Tail light bezels, got new rear bumper. Car's got a little rake to it. Four-wheel disc brakes. Again, those are chrome American Racing Torque thrust. Uh, 20 by 10s in the rear, 18/8s in the front. Again, nothing crazy. Just a good running big block, a little bit of a cam to it, nothing crazy. You can see an Edelbrock aluminum intake. It's got stock exhaust manifolds. It's got an HEI distributor in it. Chrome air cleaner and valve covers. Power steering. You can see it's got some new lines and stuff like that on it. Power 4-wheel disc brakes. Again, it's a 4-speed manual trans. So it's fun to bang the gears. They powder coated the inner wheel wells. Wax on there, guys. There actually might be fingerprints. Somebody might have touched it. Dash in there is really nice. Chrome mirrors. New door rubbers. Door seams are clean. Looks like they've done all the interior. New carpet, new sill plates. Factory bench seats, got the Hurst shifter, sports steering wheel. Headliner looks good. Yeah, it's showing 33,000. He said there's not very many miles on it, probably 2,000-3,000 miles actually on it since they restored it. AM radio in the dash. You've got an aftermarket radio in the glove box. Dual exhaust, 12-bolt, 373 limited slip rear axle in the rear. It's all spackle coated here in the trunk. That almost looks like a new BFG spare. Again, very nice underneath. As always, there'll be photos of the bottom of the car, as all our cars are. Seats look really good. Looks like they redid all those. Dash pad looks nice. Yeah, nice little cam to it, nothing crazy. Sounds good. Not much really for gauges, just a fuel gauge in there. Good sound. No, it's got an aftermarket in the glove box. It's all in there. Blower motor does work. You can see it's holding. They got an aftermarket oil pressure gauge, holding good oil pressure. Yeah, it's got those. Yeah, those cool. Oh, we got one out. Check it. Probably just a plug in the back. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we post a new video.